This is my new Southwire 9-inch side cutting combo plier. I would say that this retail packaging is buyer friendly. If you find this one in a store, you can test the pivot without destroying the packaging, and the pivot is excellent. It's called an 8-in-1 multifunction pliers because it has the following functions: the gripping jaws, the bolt holder, the wire stripper, side cutter, bolt cutter, the crimper, fishtail puller, including this pipe reamer head. The functions are well put together, and it's worth the price that I paid for it.